When you think of the American South, what comes to mind? Warm hospitality, rich history, mouth-watering food, and breathtaking landscapes, right? Well, Alabama embodies all of that and more. Known as the Heart of Dixie, Alabama is a state that captures the essence of Southern charm and culture. But what makes Alabama so special? Let's dive into why this state should be at the top of your travel bucket list. A rich tapestry of history, Alabama is a state where history comes alive. From the Civil Rights Movement to its role in the Civil War, Alabama has been at the center of many pivotal moments in American history. Here are a few highlights. Civil Rights Movement. Alabama was the stage for some of the most significant events in the fight for civil rights. Montgomery was where Rosa Parks refused to give up her bus seat, sparking the Montgomery bus boycott. Selma is home to the Edmund Pettus Bridge, where the historic Selma to Montgomery marches took place. Civil War history. Alabama played a key role in the Confederacy during the Civil War. Visit sites like Fort Morgan and the first White House of the Confederacy to step back in time. Native American heritage. Long before European settlers arrived, Alabama was home to Native American tribes like the Cherokee, Creek, and Choctaw. Explore landmarks like Moundville Archaeological Park to learn about their rich culture. Southern hospitality at its finest. If there's one thing Alabama is known for, it's the warmth and friendliness of its people. Southern hospitality isn't just a phrase here, it's a way of life. Whether you're chatting with locals at a small-town diner or getting recommendations from a shop owner, you'll feel right at home in Alabama. Stunning natural beauty. Alabama's landscapes are as diverse as they are beautiful. From rolling hills and dense forests to pristine beaches, the state offers something for every nature lover. Gulf Coast beaches. Alabama's Gulf Shores and Orange Beach are hidden gems with soft white sand and turquoise waters. It's the perfect spot for a relaxing beach vacation. Mountains and canyons. The Appalachian Mountains extend into northern Alabama, offering stunning views and outdoor adventures. Little River Canyon, often called the Grand Canyon of the East, is a must-see. Rivers and lakes. Alabama is home to countless rivers and lakes, making it a paradise for fishing, boating, and kayaking. The Tennessee River and Lake Guntersville are popular spots, a food lover's paradise. If you're a foodie, Alabama will not disappoint. The state is famous for its southern cuisine, which is hearty, flavorful, and made with love. Here are some must-try dishes. Barbecue. Alabama is known for its unique white barbecue sauce, a tangy and creamy condiment that pairs perfectly with smoked meats. Fried green tomatoes, a southern classic. These crispy, tangy treats are a must-try. Pecan pie. Alabama's state nut, the pecan shines in this sweet and gooey dessert. Seafood. Thanks to its Gulf Coast location, Alabama serves up fresh and delicious seafood like shrimp, oysters, and crab. Music and culture. Alabama has a rich cultural heritage, especially when it comes to music. The state has been the birthplace of many legendary musicians and genres. Country and blues. Hank Williams, one of the most influential country musicians of all time, was born in Alabama. The state also has deep roots in blues music, gospel, and soul. Alabama's churches have been the birthplace of powerful gospel music, which has influenced soul and R&B genres. Live music. From small-town honky-tonks to big city venues, Alabama's music scene is alive and thriving, affordable and accessible. One of the best things about Alabama is that it's an affordable travel destination. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly accommodations, cheap eats, or free attractions, Alabama offers great value for money. Plus, its central location in the southeast makes it easy to reach from many parts of the U.S. Unique festivals and events. Alabama knows how to throw a party. Throughout the year, the state hosts a variety of festivals and events that celebrate its culture, history, and traditions. Some highlights include Mardi Gras in Mobile. Did you know that Mobile is home to the oldest Mardi Gras celebration in the U.S.? It's a festive and colorful event you won't want to miss. Hangout Music Festival. This beachfront music festival in Gulf Shores attracts top artists and thousands of music lovers every year. National Peanut Festival, held in Dothan. This festival celebrates Alabama's peanut harvest with parades, concerts, and delicious peanut-based treats. Family-friendly Fun Alabama is a great destination for families, with plenty of activities that kids and adults will love. U.S. Space and Rocket Center, located in Huntsville, this museum is a must-visit for space enthusiasts. It's home to the famous Space Camp and features interactive exhibits and real spacecraft, zoos and aquariums. The Birmingham Zoo and the Gulf Coast Explorium Science Center are perfect for a fun and educational day out. State parks, with playgrounds, picnic areas, and easy hiking trails. Alabama's state parks are ideal for a family day in nature. A sense of community. One of the things that sets Alabama apart is its strong sense of community. Whether you're in a bustling city or a small town, you'll find that people here look out for one another and take pride in their state. This sense of belonging is something you'll feel as soon as you arrive. Endless opportunities for adventure, whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just looking to try something new. Alabama has plenty of adventures to offer, hiking and camping. With trails like the Pinhoti Trail and Chehaw State Park, Alabama is a hiker's paradise. Water sports. From kayaking on the Coosa River to paddleboarding in the Gulf of Mexico, there's no shortage of water-based activities. Caving. Explore the state's underground wonders at places like Cathedral Caverns and Rickwood Caverns. Conclusion: Alabama awaits. Alabama is more than just a state, it's an experience. Its rich history, stunning landscapes, delicious food, and warm hospitality make it a destination like no other. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer road trip, Alabama will leave you with unforgettable memories. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, hit the road, and discover why Alabama truly is the heart of the South.